You're broken down and tired.
To wear jeans to support sexual assault in honor of a woman who was forcibly raped by her driving instructor. The woman pressed charges, but the case was dismissed because the chief judge decided that because the victim wore very, very tight jeans, she had to help remove them. She had to help him remove them, and by removing the jeans, it was no longer rape but consensual assault. So, consensual sex.
And I rise up, I rise like the day. I rise up, I rise unafraid. I rise up, and I do it 1,008 times again. And I rise up, I like the waves. I rise up, in spite of the ache. I rise up, and I do it 1,008 times again.
And we're spreading awareness on Denim Day on April 25th. Denim Day came in existence because of a woman that was raped by her driving instructor. She pressed charges, but the charges were immediately dropped. We are spreading awareness and we are hoping that everyone that hears this are wearing jeans on April 25th. And it's a way to honor people, those who survived sexual assault.
American Women's Association youth ask that our community join us
In solidarity on Wednesday, April 25th for Denim Day by wearing denim jeans to bring awareness to sexual violence.